ज्योग्राफी क्लास 9th चैप्टर नंबर 3 का नेम है ड्रेनेज। एंड इस चैप्टर के आज हम जो है एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट हम करेंगे टिक द मार्क्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट इज़ वल्गर लेक इज़ लोकेटेड। कौन सी स्टेट में है? पंजाब में भी नहीं है ये, ठीक है, राजस्थान में भी नहीं है एंड यूपी में नहीं है। तो ये लोकेटेड है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में। डी इज़ राइट आंसर। So next है the river Narmada has its source at. River Narmada have its source at. कौन सा इसका सोर्स है? इसका सोर्स है अमरकंटक, ठीक है। जो नर्मदा रिवर है ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम अमरकंटक प्लेट्यू इन अनुपम डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, इंडिया। Which one of the following lakes is a salt water lake? Salt water lake. That is a Sambar lake. So it is Sambar lake is located in Rajasthan. Which one of the following is the longest river of the peninsular India? So peninsular जो इंडिया longest river of the peninsular India कौन सी है? नर्मदा, कृष्णा, गोदावरी, महानदी। तो राइट आंसर है गोदावरी। द गोदावरी इज़ द सेकंड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया, ठीक है, आफ्टर द गंगा। अगर ओनली लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर पूछा जाएगा तो फिर गंगा होगी, ठीक है, बट इन्होंने पूछा है कि लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द पेनिसुलर इंडिया एंड इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द पेनिसुलर इंडिया। क्या है इसका आंसर? गोदावरी है। विच वन अमंग्स द फॉलोइंग रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू अ रिफ्ट वैली। कौन सी रिवर है जो रिफ्ट वैली के थ्रू जो है फ्लो करती है? दैट इज़ डी, तापी रिवर, डी। सो उसके बाद हम अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। उससे पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं, बिलो द गिवन नेम्स ऑफ फ्यू रिवर्स ग्रुप दैम टू कैटेगरीज। नेचर रिवर्स कौन सी है, ह्यूमन मेड रिवर्स कौन सी है? तो इनमें से जो ह्यूमन मेड रिवर्स है वो है, एक तो हमारी होगी गोविंद सागर, उसके बाद होगी बारापानी, उसके बाद हमारी हो गई राणा प्रताप सागर, उसके बाद हमारी होगी निज़ाम सागर एंड देन हमारी जो हो गई हीराकुंड। ये रिवर्स जो है ये मैन मेड रिवर्स है, ह्यूमन ने बनाई हुई है। उसके अलावा जो वल्गर है, नैनीताल है, सांबर है, हरिजन सागर है, ये भी मैन मेड है। दाल होगी, ब्रिमतल हो गई, लोतक हो गई, चिलिकिया होगी, पुलिकत होगी, ये रिवर्स जो है नेचर रिवर है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय अ वाटर डिवाइड? गिव एन एग्जांपल। अ वाटर डिवाइड इज एन एलिवेटेड एरिया सच एज अ माउंटेन और एन अपलैंड दैट सेपरेट टू ड्रेनेज basins. An example is the Ambala water divide, which separates the Indus and the Ganga river system. Which is the largest river basin in India? The largest river basin in India is the Ganga basin. Third, where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have them originate? The Indus river originates near Ganga Mansarovar in Tibet, while the Ganga river originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. Name the two head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet to form the Ganga? The two main head streams of the Ganga are the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi. They meet at Devrag to form the Ganga. Fifth, why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course? The Brahmaputra river in its Tibetan part, known as the Tsnupu, carries less silt because it flows through a cold and dry high altitude plateau region where the erosional activity is minimal. It enters a region of high rainfall and significant erosional activity only after entering India. Which two peninsular rivers flow through? The two peninsular rivers that flow through rift valleys are the Narmada and the Tapi. We state some electronic benefits of rivers and lakes. Some economic benefits of rivers and lakes including irrigation for agriculture, hydropower generation, inland navigation, transportation, fisheries, aquaculture, tourism and recreation. Discuss the significant difference between the Himalayan and the peninsular rivers. The significant differences between Himalayan and the peninsular rivers are: first, origin. Himalayan rivers originate from the Himalayas and are fed by glaciers and rainfall, making them perennial, flow throughout the year. Peninsular rivers originate from the Western Ghats or other central highlands and are primarily rain-fed, making them seasonal. Nature of flow. Himalayan rivers have a long course, forming large deltas meanders in the plains. Peninsular rivers have a shorter and straighter course, often flowing in relatively narrow valleys. Then catchment area. Himalayan rivers have very large catchment areas, while peninsular rivers have comparatively smaller catchment areas. Erosion. Himalayan rivers are known for them high erosional activities due to them steep gradient and large volume of water, leading to the formation of gorges and V-shaped valleys. Peninsular rivers have less erosional activities. Next, compare the east flowing and the west flowing rivers of the peninsular plateau. First, traction of flow. Most peninsular rivers flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Example: Mahandri, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. A few major rivers flow westwards and drain into the Arabian Sea, Narmada and Tapi. Then deltas and estuaries. East flowing rivers generally form deltas at their mouths due to the relativity of gentle slope and deposition of sediment. West flowing rivers, especially Narmada and Tapi, flow through rift valleys and form estuaries instead of deltas. Length and catchment area. East flowing rivers are typically longer and have larger catchment area compared to west flowing rivers. Number. There are many more east flowing rivers in the peninsular plateau than west flowing rivers. Why are rivers important for the country's economy? Rivers are crucial for country's economy due to several reasons. First, agriculture. They provide water for irrigation, which is essential for agricultural productivity and food security. Then hydropower. Rivers are a significant source of hydropower generation and providing electricity for industries and householders. Inland navigation. Many rivers serve as waterways for transportation of goods and people, facilitating trade and commerce. Industrial use. Rivers provide water for various industrial processes and act as a means for waste disposal. Though this can lead to pollution if not managed properly. Fisheries. Rivers support diverse aquatic life including fish, which are a source of livelihood and food. Tourism. Rivers and them surrounding areas often become tourist attractions, contributing to the local economy through activities like boating, fishing and scenic views.